Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to fix Shopee Pay. Your identification is now expired and please re-upload your identification. So yan yung problem natin sa ating Shopee Pay na expired na yung ating ID identifications. Kung paano ba natin yan ayusin and mag-re-upload. So una, ang next step natin gagawin ay kailangan mo lang mag-login ang iyong Shopee account dito sa ating Shopee applications, and then open lang natin yan. And next step dito lang sa ating Shopee homepage, and then makikita mo dito yung ating My Wallet. And next step ay kailangan mo lang itap tong Shopee Pay, so click mo lang yan. And then makikita mo kaagad dito yung your identification is now expired. So please re-upload your identifications. Okay, so ang next step, so itap mo lang tong your identification is now expired. So click mo lang yan. And then why verify your identity? So nandito naman yung important details from Shopee Pay na kailangan natin basahin. So verifications and identifications for the service registrations, service and system development, and then what does sensitive data include? So meron ditong valid ID, biometric, and then yung selfie photo. And then once nabasa mo na to mga kaibigan, yung information details, so i-click mo lang dito yung I agree to the terms and conditions, yung box, i-check mo lang yan. And then I agree to the privacy and policy, so i-check mo lang yan. And next step, kailangan mo lang itap tong next. And then ang next step ay ito yung identity verifications. Alright, so nandito yung ID type mga kaibigan. So i-click mo lang tong arrow na yan para mag-select tayo kung anong ID yung gagamitin natin na pang-verify. So i-click mo lang yan. And then dito sa ID type, so nandito yung pwede natin gamitin yung UMID ID, driver's license, passport, PhilHealth ID, and then yung PRC, SSS, postal ID, PhilHealth ID card, NBI, and then OFW ID card, and then yung certificate of registrations, non-Philippine or foreign passport, GSIS, EFV ID card, and then yung Siemens book or separate mga kaibigan. So nandito yung ating mga option na pwede natin gamitin. So ang next step ay gagamitin natin yung passport. So i-click mo lang yan. And then front of ID card. And then i-click mo lang dito yung take a photo. And then please position your card in this frame. Tap the screen to focus. So kailangan nakatapat dito yung frame mga kaibigan, yung ID card na gagamitin natin. And then pag okay na, and then kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung check and wait natin. And then dito lang sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung confirm. So makikita mo kaagad dito sa personal info yung ID na ginamit natin ay kailangan natin itong i-double check yung first name, last name, middle name. And then dito naman sa email pwede tayong maglagay. So click lang natin yan, i-fill out lang natin. And then pag nilagay mo na yung email address and then yung gender, so click mo lang yan. And then yung ID number natin sa passport, yung nationality. So click mo lang yan and fill out lang natin. And then yung source of funds, so click mo lang yan. And then yung monthly income. Next, yung place of birth. And then double check yung date of birth and then yung industry. Occupation. And then yung employer name. Then purpose of accounting opening. Political exposed persons incomplete. So nandito pwede naman natin itong sagutan mga kaibigan. So dito naman guys ay madali lang naman tong sagutan. So basahin mo lang kung President of Head of States. Pag hindi naman, click mo lang tong no, no. Ayan. And then kapag nasagutan mo na tong 5 questionnaire and then click mo lang dito yung submit. And then poll address, so tap mo lang yan. And then once nilagay mo na yung complete address and then postal code. And then next yung house number or building street name. And then once okay na, dito sa baba ay click mo lang dito yung submit. And then once na fill out mo na dito yung default address, so click mo lang dito yan, yung circle na yan. Okay, so makita mo na dito yung full address. And then next step, so use present address as permanent address, i-enable mo lang siya. Kung same, kung hindi naman, pwede ka maglagay. and then i-click mo lang dito yung confirm. Okay, so identify verifications. So make sure there's enough light in your background. Please do not cover your face with hair glasses, headscarf, or any accessories. And please do not move around while verifying. Ang next step ay click mo lang dito yung start facial verification. Okay, so check info. So okay na tayo dito sa verify identity, personal info, and check info. So i-double check mo lang yung ID card na ginamit natin. So nandito lahat yung details. So check mo lang kung tama lahat yung nilagay natin. And then yung address. And then after, click mo lang dito yung confirm. Okay, so information submitted, we are verifying your ID. Due to high volume of applications, the process may take longer. We appreciate your patience and understanding. Click mo lang dito yung okay. And then wait natin na ma-complete yung verifying ng ID natin. And after a few hours, so may naka-receive tayo ng notification from Shopee na na-approve na rin ang identity verification natin. So open lang natin yung message na identity verifications success. Congratulations, your identity has been verified. And then para ma-confirm yan natin, so kailangan i-open ang ating Shopee applications and then itap lang natin yan. And then dito sa ating Shopee profile homepage and then dito sa My Wallet ay kailangan mo lang itap dito yung Shopee Pay para i-check natin. So click mo lang yan. And then ito na siya mga kaibigan. Totally and verified na yung ating identity verifications. So pwede na natin itong gamitin. Pwede na tayong mag-cash in, mag-send money, mag-pay, bank transfer, and other details mga kaibigan dito. Pwede rin mag-purchase dito ng load, bills, and other mga pwede nating gawin dito mga kaibigan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Shopee Pay. Your identification is now expired. Please re-upload your identifications. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.